In the hustle and bustle of life, have you ever realized you're living but forgetting yourself? Day after day, we're caught in the grind, work, bills, responsibilities, caring for our families. But what about you? When was the last time you lived a day just for yourself? If you haven't yet, then today, I invite you to join me on a special journey. A journey to slow down, reconnect with nature, heal, and recharge so we can return stronger than ever. Let's escape together to a little garden in the countryside where I dream of living a peaceful life one day. Here we are. This gate is just something I put together temporarily. Once I move here for good, I'll rebuild it into something sturdier and more beautiful. It's already close to noon, and the sun is pretty intense today, but luckily there's a nice breeze, which makes it much more pleasant. I'm going to look for a shady spot to set up a tarp and hang my hammock, so I can relax for a while. Everything's ready, so now I'm going to set up the tarp and hang my hammock. I'll shoot this part in time-lapse so you can see the whole process from start to finish. Just a few simple steps, and in less than an afternoon, I have my own little corner to rest, read, or simply watch the clouds drift by.
It's dawn when you are darkest. I wait for the light, and I have tried my hardest, but nothing that I do.
Now I'm going to look for a couple of sturdy trees to use as posts for my hammock. There are plenty of trees here, just a matter of picking the right ones. Let me share something with you. I bought this land about 4 years ago, back when the COVID-19 pandemic was at its peak. At that time, I dreamed of living here in seclusion, a place to relax and fully connect with nature. But that dream hasn't come true just yet. For now, I'm working hard to raise my 2 kids until they're a little older. Then, one day, I'll come here to build a home, raise dogs, grow a garden, and truly enjoy this peaceful life. If you enjoy this video, I would be so grateful if you could subscribe, like, and share, because that's the biggest motivation for me right now. And if all goes well, I'll try to come here and make videos every single day for you to watch. I've just finished setting up 2 sturdy posts for my hammock. Each one is planted deep into the ground and firmly secured, so it won't lean or break while I'm laying on it a little effort at the start for moments of pure rest to come. And now the moment I've been waiting for. Laying in the hammock, swaying gently in the open air with the endless sky above and clouds drifting slowly by. The silence here is so deep. I can hear the wind waving through the leaves and birds calling to each other in the distance. All the busyness, the pressure, the worries, they just fade away. In this moment, I'm living completely for myself. No phone, no work, no deadlines. Just me and nature, like two old friends finally reunited. Sometimes, all we need is a day like this, to slow our breath, to listen to ourselves, and to remember, life is not only about running forward, it's also about stopping to enjoy the view. Now, I'm going to set up a simple makeshift stove right here under the shade. Just a few bricks and stones neatly stacked together, and I've got a place to light a fire. I'll go around to gather some dry wood, easy to ignite and perfect for keeping the heat steady. Today, I brought along some fresh meat, along with vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions, everything I need for a hearty stew. Out here, with the gentle breeze, the crackling of the fire, and the aroma of meat and vegetables blending together, just thinking about it already makes me feel warm inside. My favorite part is sitting beside the pot, listening to the wood pop and crackle, watching the smoke curl lazily through the golden afternoon light. And then, scooping up a steaming bowl of soup. Taking that first sip, it's like all the stress and tiredness just melt away, leaving nothing but comfort spreading from the tongue all the way to the heart. Here, simple moments like this turn into the big just happiness.
It's dawn when you are darkest. I wait for the light, and I have tried my hardest, but nothing that I do makes you shine. When you're here, you are not here. I wonder where it is your mind goes. I swore up and down that I could, but now I'm not sure that I can. 'Cause a person has a limit of just how much indifference they'll stand. Don't I deserve feeling like I'm worth someone who gives a damn? I don't know why I'm wasting all my time on a boy who won't be a man. I have loved, I do love, and surely I'll just keep on loving you. But now it's from a distance. This apathy is something I can't do. 'Cause I deserve knowing that I'm worth someone who gives a damn. And I've had enough of giving all my love to a boy who won't be a man, to a boy who won't be a man. You're a boy and I need a man.
Sometimes life really is that simple. As long as we have our health, we can do anything. If you have money but no health, you can't truly enjoy life. So why not start right now? Create a personal schedule, set clear goals for your future, and don't just let your dreams sit there gathering dust. Live closer to nature, spend more time with your family, and most importantly, don't forget to spend time with yourself. In the end, happiness isn't about running faster. It's about finding a place to pause, taking a deep breath, and smiling. If you share the same dream, to live closer to nature, to seek out beautiful places to camp, relax, and truly be yourself, then please support me with a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments. I promise I'll read and reply to every single comment. Thank you for joining me throughout this video. I'll see you again in the next one. Wishing you all good health and peace in your life.